like we do every
Hey guys, it's Arkhamplayer 101 back with another video. And we are here, it's Destruction Friday, my series. We're gonna destroy this this toy helicopter. Me and Jacob are gonna throw it on the concrete. Throw it on this concrete right here. How about I do it first?
Maybe next week, but yeah.
How about I do it
I don't
first?
know what she was thinking, but yeah. No, I'm gonna do it.
Alright, fine.
No doubt. They were just gonna be throwing it on the concrete.
Yeah, today we're just gonna throw it on the concrete. Here, let me do it next.
That was bad.
That was bad.
Oh!
Holy shoot!
Let me see that. Let me.
Oh, ow!
Yo.
I hurt my hand. I hurt my hand. I hurt my hand. Look at the thing. Look at the. Look at that. Damn.
I want to throw it. Yo, dude. Bro.
Okay, go ahead. You can go now.
Hey, look how it landed. It's bent.
Keep throwing it, dude. Throw it really hard.
Look at this, guys.
Here, I got another idea. Here, let me see it. Oh, dude. Throwing on the grass isn't gonna do anything.
I know.
Watch out, I'm gonna give it a really hard. Here, hold my camera. I'm gonna give it a really hard throw.
Hold on, guys, for both people.
Now step on it.
We got 2 kids. Oh, I'm gonna go step on it. Hey. I'm gonna step on it. Yo.
We're really.
Can I step on it?
Yeah, it's starting to really come apart now.
Put it on the
I can feel the pieces coming apart.
Okay, Carmen, take your camera.
I'm gonna throw it one more time and then you can do it again. Alright, go ahead. What kind of throw was that? Here, I got an idea. Dude, both of us jump on it together. 1, 2, 3.
Well, I don't want to step on you.
Yeah.
Well, we ripped that right up.
Alright, give it a little. Every piece of it has to go. Man, this thing just won't come apart.
We might not be making destruction videos on Friday.
Yeah, not every Friday, but mostly.
Yeah. So
Whenever we find something to destroy.
Yeah, it's gonna be on Fridays though. I'm not really sure when.
Unless I change it.
But right now, every Friday, check.
Look at it now.
Oh, look, you can see the battery. Wait. Show your viewers the battery.
Oh, there's a battery, yeah.
Yeah, that's where you... So, yeah, guys. We're not going to do things every Friday.
Let's throw it at this thing right here. This is how it looks right now. I don't know where that other piece went. I don't know where the... But, yeah.
Throw it down that pipe.
I'm not going to throw it in the pipe. It's really coming apart now.
Let's get into there.
I can't reach it. So we do have to get it. So we have to get it.
I'm getting in. Hold on, guys. Sorry. I'm getting in this thing. Okay.
Hey, Landon.
I want to show you guys what does it look like down there. I'm not going to get down there. Can't even see it. Can you? Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of it. Come on, one more throw.
Yeah, one more throw. We're going to give it a little finisher. Dude, are you going to come over here? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This is what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like right now. There's Jacob. Subscribe to him. Awesome Dude 101 on YouTube.
Baseball dude.
Yeah, sorry, I keep forgetting that he changed it. It's actually Baseball Dude 101 on YouTube.
Go sub.
Yeah, go sub to Baseball Dude 101. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, my Arkhamplayers.